Good morning, children. Today we know about the new lesson, chapter number 5, Mr. Simple on the Train. Starter kit. The word simple can have many different meanings has. So, the word simple has a different meanings in the following. Don't be so simple. Don't be so simple. It like stupid. It is a simple question. Means easy. He is simple person. Innocent. She wears simple clothes. Not stylish. Be simple but not a simpleton. Sincere. She is a simple village woman. Ordinary. So now read the story and decide if Mr. Simple was simple or a simpleton. Now get set. Once in a month, Mr. Simple went to see his old mother. He would catch the 10 o'clock train in the morning. He would spend the day with his mother and come back in the evening. He would come back by the 6 o'clock train. Often Mr. Simple looked very pale when he came back in evening. He couldn't eat or drink anything. One day Mr. Simple said, "Dear, you are no good on a train journey. It upsets you so much." "I know why it upsets me," said Mr. Simple sadly. "I always feel ill when I sit with my back to the engine. Last time I sat facing the engine and I was all right. Isn't that strange?" "But dear," said Mr. Simple, "if that is the cause of your trouble, you can end it very easily." "How?" asked Mr. Simple in surprise. "When you find that you are sitting with your back to the engine, you can make a simple request to the person in the opposite seat. You can say to him, 'Will you please change places with me? I feel ill if I sit with my back to the engine.'" So, see the children. So once in a month, Mr. Simple went to see his old mother. So see this picture. He is Mr. Simple. So he catch the train at 10 o'clock in the morning. Then he spent a whole day with his mother, and then he came back at 6 o'clock train to the home. So one day Mr. Simple went to see his mother and come back. When he was come back, he was pale. So looks in this picture, his face was very dull. So he became pale, means he was very tired. So on that day, Mr. Simple wife said to him, "You are very tired on a train journey. So it is very upsets with you so much." So Mr. Simple said to his wife, he was upset, he was tired because when he sit back to the engine. So see, in this picture, he sit back to the engines. So usually people wants to sit in this place, but he is sit in a opposite direction of the going. So he was very tired of this action. Then he said to his wife, "So I am very tired because of this only." So Mr. Simple means Mr. Simple wife said to him, "You are very tired on a train journey." Then she said, he said to the last time he was facing in front to the engine, he was very all right. So Mr. Simple said to his wife, last time when he went to see his mother, he sit in a facing front of the engine. So he was all right on that time, but now he was facing back to the engine, so he was very tired. So his wife said to him, "Has you can easily solve your problem." So Mr. Simple asked to his wife, "How can it possible? How can solve my problem?" He asked to his wife, "How can I solve the problem?" So Mr. Simple said to Mr. Simple, "When you sit back to the engine, you make simple request to the person opposite seat." So when you catch the train, when you sit opposite to the back to the engine, so you, Mr. Simple wants to make simple request to the who are the opposite seat. So you would have say to him as, "Will you please change your seat with me, because I feel ill if I sit with my back to the engine." So his wife said to him, "You have to make a simple request to the opposite seat person as, please will you change your seat with me, so because I feel ill if I sit with my back to the engine." So this was your day of lesson. Will continue in the next part, children. Thank you.